Hi everybody, I'm Julio. I'm with Praveen. We're here in Wynwood, Miami, USA, the graffiti capital of the US, maybe the whole world. So hey, just come with me, take a look around. You see the amazing potential that a space like this has. What would you do with it? So we take a quick walk, look at all the nice, beautiful, random graffiti that we've done here. Well, we haven't, but a lot of artists have converged on this place to make it their canvas. So we got tech, we got art, we got an amazing cultural scene here in Wynwood. So come join us, take a look around.
So anyone that's been here before might notice it's a lot different than maybe last time you've been here. There used to be a lot of trees and other things here, but they're renovating the area. We're actually doing a giant drone race here in a week, so we're doing the walkthrough for the drone race today, but doing the pre-walkthrough now to shoot it on VR.